Hi everyone, this is Shadi Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As we can see here that the pair went below the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern that we discussed last week. So this simply means that this pattern is not working anymore. We can't depend on it anymore. So simply we would wait for the pair to reach the support level of 1.1517, and then if it shows up some bullish evidence, this means that the price might continue going up to reach the downtrend line one more time. So if it shows up some bearish evidence below the downtrend line here around this level, then we can go short targeting the level of 1.1517 during this week. Now let's move to the GBP USD on the daily time frame. As you can see here, the pair went down and hit our first target as we discussed last week, 1.30. So what we can do this week is to wait for the pair to go up again to be traded right below the level of 1.33, which is a very strong resistance level. In case it shows up some bearish evidence below this level, we can go short targeting the level of 1.30 during this week. So what we can do this week is to wait for the pair to go up to reach the resistance level of 1.33. Then if it shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short targeting the level of 1.30. Let's go to the gold on the 4 hours. Actually the pair hit our targets as expected, and now the only way to enter the market is to wait for the pair to reach the level of maybe 12.05 and the level of maybe 12.10. In case this happens, then the price might go up to reach one of those two levels. If it shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short targeting the level of 11.88 during this week. Let's move to the Australian dollar, still traded below a strong resistance level, that is the downtrend line that we can see here. A false breakout happened last week, but actually this doesn't mean that the price might continue going up, because it is a false one. So by the continuation of trading below the downtrend line along with the level of 0.7311, then we can go short targeting the level of 0.71, 0.70 during this week. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below the downtrend line along with the level of 0.7311. Let's move to the GBP JPY on the daily time frame. As we can see here that the pair is traded below a strong resistance level, that is 149.32. Actually, if the pair shows up some bearish evidence below this level, we can go short targeting the level of 145 during this week, conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 150 during the week. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.